Senior BJP leader Rikman Momin officially took charge as the new BJP state president today in the presence of outgoing President Ernest Mauri, state in charge of BJP Chuba Ao, Cabinet Minister A.L. Hek and BJP Karyakartas. Talking to reporters after taking over charge, Rikman Momin said his main objective will be to strengthen the party ahead of the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. He further said though the party has only 2 MLAs, its vote share will increase.
No, right now my duty is to strengthen the party. My job is to look after the party. Other than that, what will I have? See, Lok Sabha, upcoming Lok Sabha is very near now, 2024. So as soon as the order comes from the central, we'll start working. But still then we are going to strengthen our party right from today.
A delegation